Hi, myself Saranya Sreedharan, Assistant Professor, Science and Humanities Department, Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. My topic is about intro and application of discrete mathematics. What is discrete structure? It is a part of a mathematics devoted to study of discrete object, and it is study of a mathematical structure that are fundamentally discrete rather than continuous. It is a branch of mathematics dealing with objects that can assume only distinct or separable values. Discrete objects combine with one another and the probability of various outcomes is known as combinatory. Other fields of mathematics that are considered to be a part of discrete mathematics include graph theory and theory of computation. The study of topic in discrete mathematics usually includes the study of algorithm, their implementation and efficiencies. In mathematical language, it has an importance increased now dramatically in recent decades. In research, half of the 20th century partly due to the development of digital computer which operate in discrete steps and store data in discrete bits. For example of discrete, the number of boys in class, number of candies in a packet. Example of continuous data, height of a person and time in a race and distance travelled by a car. And discrete maths in computers, it runs software and store files. The software files are both stored as a huge string, ones and zeros as a binary map. All computer data is represented using binary. Binary digits can be grouped together into bytes. In railway planning, the discrete math decide how to expand train railway lines, timetable scheduling routes and equipment for train trips. Use both graph theory and linear algebra also here. Discrete mathematics in computer graphics, it is also a linear algebra in order to transform object that true for both application like game development and for operating system. This is a XY rotation matrix. The angles which is cos theta and sin theta is equal to 1 value. Discrete math in Google Maps, it uses discrete mathematics to determine fastest driving routes and times. There is a similar version that works with small maps and technicalities involved in updating to large maps. What is the shortest route from point A to point B? Any social networking site will have to use graph theory. And voting system. There are different methods of voting, not just the common cast a ballot of exactly one candidate method. The study of possible voting methods and how well their outcomes reflect the intent of their voters uses discrete mathematics. Designing password criteria. In the space of a password chosen large enough that a hacker can't break into accounts just by trying all the possibilities. Discrete math help decide how much possibility are present to crack the password so that we can make it more secure. Web search. In web search, multiple languages at once and returning a summary uses linear algebra. In web search involves various algorithms which are called web crawlers. Their jobs is to search every online page on the web. They do that through graph theory. They find the shortest path of the required page to increase the speed. And cell phone communication. Making efficient use of the broadcast spectrum for mobile phones uses linear algebra and information theory. Assigning frequency so that there is no interference with nearby phones can use graph theory or can use discrete optimization. For example, person A and person B. Person A is calling to person B means first it will be going for tower 1 location, then it will be going for tower 2 where the person B's location nearby. Then the person B will receive the calls. The near one cannot interfere in this calls. Web designing. Website designing can be modeled as a graph where the web pages are entitled by vertices and the hyperlink is entitled by the edges. This concept is called a web graph. Thank you.